Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the Dior Skinglow Foundation. This foundation has been reformulated to be extra hydrating, have skincare ingredients, and last longer throughout the day. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And remember, as I test this foundation, there will be no primer or setting powder. So let's get started. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 5. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a radiant finish, it lasted all day, it gives incredible coverage, medium to full, it layers easily, it has an SPF, and it leaves your skin hydrated and glowy. There really isn't anything I don't like about this foundation, but beware if you're oily. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. However, if you are oily, beware because it is very hydrating. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.